So we start off by putting on my Crocs and heading out across the garden to the garage and into the studio. New pair of Crocs on, and here's a little look around the whole of the studio space. And exciting bits, my aprons, all my storage, sewing machine, cutting machine, nice dummy cake waiting to be decorated, sugar flowers, stainless steel worktop, all my mixes and bowls, big empty fridge with lots of jams in, my dehydrator, freezer, utensils, ovens, and cakes ready to be iced. My worktops, which are currently in my normal work mode but spin round for Greek workshops, so there's lots of space. All my storage in the cupboard, more storage, that's where I keep all my little veiners and cutters, and some flowers that I've been working on, ancient flowers from one of my first online classes, and dummy cakes that, again, really old, my little trolley of tools, my little photo corner with a random tablecloth as a backdrop, and my nice view from the sink to the garden. This is my table where I do all of my classes, and that's it.